Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a simple at home makeup. So for starters, I'm moisturizing my face with Nivea cream. This is a very mild moisturizer. My skin is on the sensitive side, so I always prefer using mild products. And this is one of the most important steps in my daily skincare routine, moisturizing your skin. Please never skip it. It's very important to avoid breakouts and dryness on your skin. And please use any moisturizer of your choice, but always moisturize. Next thing I'm gonna do is moisturize my lips. So for this I'm using Maybelline lip balm. You can use any lip balm of your choice, even coconut oil, which is really good for your lips. So we're done with moisturizing. Next I'm going to apply primer. Whenever you apply makeup, it is always good to apply primer for the makeup not to enter your skin. This is like a shield that protects the skin from the makeup. So I'm using this primer from Insight Cosmetics. It's a primer 3-in-1, primes, protects and moisturizes. It's oil free, so it's really like giving a matte finish. Next, I'm not going to be using foundation for today for simple makeup. I'm just going to do this makeup only using concealer. I'm using the concealer from Maybelline in the shade Caramel 40. Please apply your concealers in a triangle shape so it gives a good coverage. So I'm applying the foundation on all the dark areas of my face and whichever parts I want it to get highlighted. On my nose and on my forehead and my temples. I'm applying it on the cheeks because I'm not applying any foundation, so I just don't want to bring in that odd dark and light tone on my skin. So I'm going to dab the makeup into my skin. Please dab the concealer or foundation. Do not rub it. Next, I'm setting the concealer with this finishing powder from compact powder from Revlon Ivory Matte Touch and Glow moisturizing powder. I bought this powder recently and it's actually really good. Please try it out. It's not giving too much of a powdery finish, so I really like this product. And I always set the places where I conceal with powder. I don't apply the powder throughout my face. I'm applying some to my neck because I'm not applying any foundation or anything there. Just I don't want that odd look. Next, even though you're at home, it's really good to apply blush, which gives a really fresh look on your face. So I'm using this blush from L'Oreal Paris in the shade Play With Me 10. So on one side I'm using the blush using the brush from the palette. On the other side I'm using the beauty blender. Actually the beauty blender gives out more product than the brush to your skin, so you can try out this trick at home. So I'm applying it on my cheeks, on my nose. It really gives that, healthy look on your skin, blush. Then for the next step, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. You can actually skip this step if you're scared of doing anything to your eyelashes, but I would recommend doing this step because it gives a nice curvy look when you give mascara. So for eyeshadow, I'm not going to do any big eye makeup. I'm just taking one shade, that grey shimmery shade, and applying it on my lids. That's it, just to give that shimmery look. I just really don't want to just apply the eyeliner alone. It'll give that shiny look. That's enough for me to be at home. So I'm applying the same shade on both the end, and I have used the palette from Maybelline. This is the nude shade palette. I've been having it for a really long time. Next, I'm going into applying the eyeliner. Over the years of wearing makeup, I have understood one thing. If you want your eyes to look big, always apply less eyeliner. A thin line makes your eyes look really big. If you apply a thick line, it will make your eyes look very small. So I'm applying this eyeliner again from Maybelline. Next step is kajal. I'm using kajal from Sugar Cosmetics, and I always recommend you to apply the kajal halfway, not fully, because sometimes when it smudges, it gives a very dark under eye. So just apply it halfway, and take a brush and make the dark thing go to your inner corners as well. So I'm using this brush from Urban Decay and just rubbing the applied kajal to the inner corner so that the product is less throughout my eye. I'm just doing this step in order to make my eyes look big and to avoid the under eye dullness. Less is more, guys. Always less is more. Next step is mascara. Please don't avoid this step. It actually gives that full finished look for your eye. Apply less if you don't want to apply more. Sometimes it might be difficult to remove it. On everyday basis, apply it less. But just don't skip this step. So the mascara that I'm using is also from Maybelline. Next thing, this part you can skip it and finish it off with just mascara, but I just want to give that shiny look under my brows and on my nose, like a highlighting effect. This is a gold stick pencil that I bought from Miniso. It's pretty cheap. It's around $130 or something. I've been having it for more than a year now, so it gives that glow, as you see. Next step is for the lips. I'm applying this lipstick from Nykaa under the shade 18 Chai. So this is more like a brown shade. Since I'm at home, I don't mind wearing something not too bright. This is more somewhat equal to my lip color, but just gives that glossy, little bright look and pops out the entire face. I'm not going to use any lip pencil and all. This itself is looking good. If you want, you can use lip pencil and draw your lips. Next is for my eyebrows. Actually, I'm not going to do anything for my eyebrows. It looks like a jungle because I couldn't go out and do my eyebrows because of the lockdown. But that's okay. Just brush it. And yeah, you can avoid doing your eyebrows. Just leave it as it is. Just brush it neatly. So this is the finished look, guys. Do any hairstyle of your choice. Comb your hair. That's one important daily routine you can follow to make yourself feel fresh and give a good start. I would recommend you all to even though you're at home, just apply a little makeup so that your day also will look as bright as your makeup. So until I see you all soon, take care. Bye.